Ladies and gentlemen, I am very glad to have the opportunity of meeting you all today and to inaugurate the Conference of Deputy Commissioners. It is a very good thing that a conference of all the deputy commissioners is being arranged every year in addition to conferences held at regional level from time to time. In this present serious situation, it is particularly necessary that we meet together periodically as far as possible to exchange the ideas and to resolve difficulties. I think, therefore, you would welcome this opportunity of meeting your colleagues from different districts of the state. I am favorably impressed by your agenda of discussion. I would like to mention that to realize the full value of conferences of this nature, it is necessary free and frank discussions should take place. Government expect from you not only implicit obedience to its orders, but also a clear expression of your difficulties. I am aware at times you are to carry out all tasks in an uncomplaining fashion. But this is an opportunity given to you all to express your views and explain your difficulties to government, and I expect you all to make the fullest use of it. I may assure you that the government will appreciate and will also benefit from it. There must be regular flow from the districts to the headquarters. For playing your role usefully, you have to be balanced and mature in views and should be in a position to respect and attention of the public. During my tours in the districts, I have already met a number of you, and I found that the districts are well administered. I attach great importance to this because except in highly urbanized areas, the district often reflects the personality of its chief officer. It is gratifying the note that the officials and non-officials have eagerly occupied their respective places in the schemes and are getting on well together. I do not think that there is much point in offering you advice in general terms. However, I should like to bring to your notice one or two aspects of your work so that your attention is drawn to them in a pointed manner. With improved educational and economic opportunities, public are now becoming more articulate in voicing their needs. In spite of our best efforts, we are not in a position to do everything everywhere immediately. Friends, I do not propose to talk today about the need for reforming educational system. Eminent people and leaders of public opinion have from time to time given expression to views which are well known. The entire process of education has to be viewed as an integrated whole, and we have to be clear about the objectives that we wish to achieve. As you are aware, we are already engaged at present in a process of economic development. Indeed, we are going through what may be called a period of industrial revolution. A large number of industrial and other types of units are being set up all over the country. For manning these units, we need a large number of trained technical people. Most of you have given considerable attention to engineering education, and the universities also have done the same. We have set up a few large technical institutions. Now that we are preparing a fourth plan whose size would be equal to that of all the first 3 5-year plans put together, obviously our requirements for technical personnel will be much greater. So, I would like all technical institutions in the country to make an assessment of the expansion that they can undertake for increasing the number of students for technical courses, and to bring forward specific proposals. The content of technical education has to be good and substantial, but it is equally important that your young people should have a practical approach to problems. I would like them to be anxious to use their own hands in order to do a good job. It is an approach of this nature that will enable the country to make rapid progress in the matter of industrial development. Now, I would like to say a few words to you about the employment opportunities for young men in the coming years of our national development. The completion of education marks a turning point in the life of every man. Naturally, your anxiety will be to get suitable employment, which is necessary for finding the means to live. Opportunities for employment are being created more and more as our development plans are given effect to. The fourth 5-year plan, for instance, which will commence in less than a year and a half from now, makes provision for 20 million jobs. It cannot be said that everyone who acquired a degree